I'm flexing, yeah. Cause I just checked my bank account and I'm good. I'm flexing, yeah. Cause my singles going off in my hood. I'm flexing, yeah. Everywhere I go, you know it's all love. I'm flexing.
Yo, what's good, Crazy Nation? It's your boy Espy of the Crazy. You know what it is. I'm back again with another reaction. This is to Xikers, House of Tricky, Doorbell Ringing. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Let's go. I know it feels like it's been a while, and it has been a while since I've reacted to Xikers, so I'm keen for this. Let's get it. Let's go. Xikers!
Among the people, worshipped for its mysterious powers, and hated for its unceasing war. It existed as a constant fear, a force that would destroy the world. Humans began to wonder whether it was good or evil.
This is sick. Whoa.
Good or evil? It instilled an overwhelming desire to dominate the world. It fostered reckless courage to make them self-destruct as heroes. It gave children abilities beyond what they could bear and prospered in the chaos. It exists within us without any reason, purpose, or rules. We call it tricky.
I just got chills. Oh. I just got chills. Let's go. Let's go. Doorbell ring. First track. Wow. Let's go, Ye-chan. Law, how law should be a source of weird images.
Relax, deep breath, I'm running laps. Oh, you bet, yeah, I swear. She can't go find a guest. React.
Ooh, Eugene. Okay, Junbin.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Piss off, Minjae. Oh. Ooh, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, the ad-lib. Trouble I make. Back. My mood is toward the universe focus. The exploding speaker is crazy. Surprise 180 degrees tumble. Okay, Jinsi. Okay, you see him?
Don't kill my vibe. Out of control. That's what I like. 너는 어때? 다 같이 원한다면 follow me. 어서 오세요. Take it up. Gotta go. 문을 열고서. Gotta go. 문을 열고서.
Hey, let's go, Jungkook. Ooh, Sumin. Bro, I love what this song is doing. This song's so trippy. It suits Tricky House perfectly. Just in case. Bro, Junghoon sounds amazing there. Just in case.
Don't kill my vibe, out of control. That's what I like. 너는 어때? 자같이 원한다면 follow me. Also say yo, tricky the house. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. 문을 열고서 going up, going up, going up, going up. 경계를 넘어서 멈춰 아주 번져. 놀라지 마요, tricky the house. Are you ready for this show? Are you ready for this show? Welcome to the tricky house. 우리 눈앞에 펼쳐진 세상을 마주해.
Wow. May I say, this is the way to keep the energy from that intro that they had. I'm pretty sure this isn't actually the first song. I would assume that. I'm not sure if Doorbell Ringing is before Tricky House. Hold on, let me check real quick. Because if it is, this is the perfect song before Tricky House. Okay, so it is the song before Tricky House. So the Tricky Secret and Doorbell Ringing work so well to build up Tricky House. It builds it up so well. It's so good. I love this. Obviously we're not gonna listen to Tricky House because we've already listened to it. But I just love how it keeps the energy from the intro, and then Doorbell's Ringing is like, yeah, like let's keep that energy going. And when you know Tricky House is right after this, like people would be so surprised. Like if they haven't heard of Xikers and they listen to this in order, and then they hear Tricky House right after this, they'll be like, what the hell? Like, you know, it'll catch people off guard. That's so cool. Ooh, may I say, Hyunwoo is disgusting. Damn, that boy can sing. But anyway, this is like a dynamic thing, so I don't know what this is. Wow, I love the sound. Wow. And this is building up to the song Rockstar. Nice. I like it. Let's go. Let's check Rockstar out. Into the they're making us fun. Whoa, back. Oh, nice summary.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. 좀 더 거칠게, are you ready? 터질 듯한 심장에 그대로인데 너는 어때? Oh, 더 크게 외칠 때 걱정 따위는 go away. 이 순간 뜨겁게 다시 태어난 my soul.
Wow. Oh! Oh, that sounds beautiful. What? Rockstar. Wow. Nice, Hunter. Wow, Minjae.
무한대로 꽂아 plug 그쯤 내가 fall 무한대로 꽂아 plug 그쯤 내가 fall
Always sticking in a plug. I'm my own megaphone. Oh, nice, so mean.
rapping my throat 목표 steady amigo 모든 양치 멜로디는 걸 현실로 반영 damage up 내
Wow, Ye-chan. The way that Sumin and Ye-chan go off each other is so nice.
목표 steady amigo 모든 양치
Every day I dream on with my eyes closed. Let reality reflect that game. Now it's over. Ooh!
멜로디는 걸 현실로 반영 damage up 내 공식 타투 리듬에 맡겨져 우주를 향해서 뛰어가 사람들이 쳐다봐도 be okay 이상한 단어
They have very nice voices. I'm not gonna lie, they have a very nice vocal line.
우주를 향해서 뛰어가 사람들이 쳐다봐도 be okay 이상한 단어일 때도 be okay 너와 나 달라도 상관없어 난 be okay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 좀 더 거칠게 are you ready 터질 듯한 심장에 그대로인데
That's so cool. My heart growls like it's about to burst. How about you?
너는 어때 oh 더 크게 외칠 때 걱정 따위는 go away
Great lyrics.
순간 뜨겁게 다시 태어난 my soul
It's interesting. They tease a lot in this. They tease a lot about the next album. Talking about playing games. They, like, when you hear Do or Die, you're not surprised now. Like, it's ironic that the next album, EP, is the mini album is called How to Play. And, like, I've noticed there's a lot of lines where it kind of teases where they're going to. Like, what type of music they're going to do after. It's very interesting. I really like this album so far. The energy on this album is remarkable. Like this, now my soul is hot, like it's about to be reborn. Like just some of the lines, I'm just like, wow, like it's so creative the way they've written this song. Hang on, Rockstar has a music video. Fuck. I'll watch it after then. Rockstar. Ooh, that line, the wounds I buried in my heart. Wow, nice juicy.
Two.
What a song. What a song. What a song. Wow. What do I have to say about this song? I really enjoy this song. I enjoy this song a lot. I enjoy Jesus, just how, wow, that's such a good song. Like, seriously, that is such a good song. It's such a creative song. It rocks, pun intended. I like how it just shows how creative this group can be. Like, seriously, this group is so creative, and it's interesting because obviously they bring that rock sound. Because of the name of the title. Because of the name and title and all that, right? But it's just interesting, like, how diverse this group can be. They're one of the most, in my personal opinion, they're one of the most diverse groups in K-pop, in my personal opinion already, because when I think of Tricky House, when I think of this song, when I think of Homeboy, not Homeboy, Do or Die, you know, like Doorbell Ringing, all of their songs are so different and so unique. They have their own like character and like dynamic, and I feel like it's so cool how creative this group can be. But alright, let's watch the music video of this now. My bad, I didn't notice this had a music video. My bad. This is such a cool music video. Oh, the choreo! I'm not gonna lie, Hunter might be one of the most charismatic dancers I've ever seen in like K-pop. Like, he's got the face, the way he dances. Because of his height, the way he dances is very unique. Like, cause he looks, not only because of his height, he looks lanky. I'm not sure if he actually is, but when I look at him, he looks very lanky. And normally when lanky people dance, they look very weird. And when I watch him dance, he's really good. He's really good at making his body move so well to the point where it doesn't like distract me of his height. You know what I mean? Nice job. That I'm not gonna lie, this part sounds so fucking beautiful. When I heard this part, I was like, oh my god. I love that. The scars and the, like, I know I brought this up earlier, but that line's so good. Like, the scars, everything from my past, it can't hurt me anymore. Like, it can't stop me from doing what I want to do, you know? Like, that's such a great line.
1, 2.
Whoa! It's like Xikers just turned into Ultra Instinct. Dude, Hunter is a fucking amazing dancer. Bro, this group is so sick. This group, serious, Jesus Christ, man, the talent that K-pop are having right now is insane. That felt very intense, but not dark. Love those concepts. Yeah, it reminded me of Frost a bit. It reminded me a bit of Frost from TXT. Oh, let's go. Everyone recommended me this song. Apparently, this is like one of their best songs. I'm actually keen to hear this. This is Psyche. I'm keen to actually hear this because a lot of people say that this is like one of their like best B-sides. Xikers! I love that. What is this? Nah, bro, this group. Oh no, I'm not ready. Oh no, I'm not ready. This sounds like my type of music already. Bro, this beat. Bro, this is sick. Yo, can I say Seon is dope? By the way, that's amazing, Minjae. I love how Minjae raps in this already. So that's Hyunwoo and Jinsik, and then it goes Jinsik and Hunter. Bro, what is this music? This group is literally making a completely new genre of music. I have not listened to music like this. If there is genre like this, I have not heard it. Bro, what is this sound? This is a very rare sound. I like it. Oh.
Wait, hold up.
Dude, Soon is mad.
Wait, hold up.
Hold on. You must have noticed that the dimensions is completely different. That's cold. Original taste, you know it, and then Hunter comes in, Xikers. Oh, that's so cold. I forgot about Ye-chan. Oh no, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Bro, what a line. Xikers Boss Baby high or set the volume to the max and tear the speaker. We play even when we crawl. Just go crazy and let's see now. Get out of the way. Too much, too soon. It's rude now. This is the oh shit, let's go, Sunmin. Wow. I move. Look around, you're gonna get confused. Choose fake or true. I was bewitched again and now no more rules. I love that part. Wow. This group's crazy. Switch up. Wow, that's sick. Xikers change up. This is sick. Hey, yo, switch up. Minjae says Xikers is the best. I just want to say that. The way Minjae does the he screams Xikers. I love it. When I hear him, this was borderline experimental. This was awesome. Honestly, I had no expectation going into this album. Like, I wasn't sure what I was going to get. And now the more I've listened to their music, the more I don't know what I'm going to get. That's how amazing this group is. This group's discography is just crazy. They have such unique music. Let's go to the next song. Oh my gosh.
Never stop it fighting again.
This is interesting.
어두운 밤, we start to shine all night. 뽐내지 않아 날 for the top. 어두운 밤, flashlight, 숨이 막혀버릴 것만 같던 오늘도 지워버리는 꿈에.
What? Bro, what is this music? I've never heard anything like this. Wow, this group is very, very experimental. Like, experimental times 1,000. Like, I have not heard music like this. If I have, I don't remember it. But wow, this is like a combination of so many different sounds. And I love it. I love every bit of it. I wanted to see who produced this. So Hongjong is part of these albums. Because I was wondering if, like, I know it said that he helped them write them, but I was wondering if he helped them produce it as well. Because a lot of these songs are just crazy experimental. And honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if Hongjong has something to do with it. Because if you look at what he's done for 80s, that just says everything. Hongjong is both on lyrics and composing. Because I'm listening to the sound, and one thing that I always enjoyed about 80s is 80s has that special sound. You know, they have that special, unique sound. And I feel like Xikers have it, but in their own different way. Like, I wouldn't say they're very similar to 80s, but there's glimpses of 80s' production. But I don't feel like it sounds too much like 80s, which is really nice. This is so good. Bro, fuck off, Ye-chan. What? Path that was like a maze has now been solved. Even if you fall down, return to your place. Woo! It's 80s' producers plus him and some others. Yeah, I've been reading a bit about it. This honestly just shows how amazing Hongjong is as a producer. This is very exciting. I'm very excited to see what he's gonna do, like, as a producer. Seriously, man, this is insane. Like, I know obviously he has massive parts of 80s, but this sound is completely different. It literally makes this group unique, and it makes this group really stand out. Ooh. Upset limbs, clap after standing up so that your hands get hot. Oh my gosh. Ooh, Gene sick. Wow. I'm not afraid of this destiny. That note by Hyunwoo? Wow. Bro. What? Hunter? God, oh my gosh. Yo, Seun is wow, he's so sick. I love his parts on this album. It's too early to be surprised. Welcome to our show. They're talking to the fans like, yo, we're just getting started. You can't be surprised yet. Wait, you have to wait. We're just getting started. The sun revolves around me. 365 red light in my sky. Woo! Min Jae. Wow. First engrave your logo in this world. I'm like so good. Wow. Ooh. I love that back to back between Minjae and Hunter. The Minjae is like yelling, singing, and then Hunter hits back. It's so nice. And that back to back between Sunmin and Ye-chan, holy shit. This ending is very 80s, 100%. I agree with that. I was gonna say, Xikers are a combination of 80s. Like, to me, they feel like a combination between 80s and Stray Kids. And I fucking love it. If this is what they're going to be like, it's going to be a combination between them two. I'll take it any day of the week. Oh, seriously. Dude, this group is one of the most unique groups. And everyone's going to be like, oh, but you just compared them. I didn't compare them to 80s and Stray Kids. I said that it's a combination of both sounds. Oh my god. My only problem I don't know if I had the music too loud, but the bass is fucking insane. Like I could, like that was killing my ears. Besides that, the whole album's sick. I enjoy every song because every song has a different flavor of intense. I honestly have not seen I have not seen a group like this. And I really find it exciting how talented this group is. Like this group has such a strong core. Like the combination of Sunmin, Minjae, and Ye-chan as rappers is crazy. But what's so interesting is that Seun is kind of like a secret rapper as well. Seun reminds me of one of the 80s members that he's been rapping a lot lately. What's his name? Seun reminds me of Seonghwa a lot. He's very similar to him because he can be melodic, but as well he can come in with like a little bit of like swag with rapping. I noticed that with his voice. I was like, oh wow, I'm like, this guy kind of adds a bit of rapping into the way he comes into the songs. Seriously, Hyunwoo, Jinsik, Junmin, and Junghoon, sorry, as vocals, and Yujun, they're fucking scary. They have a very strong like vocal lineup. This is a very interesting group. Seriously, this is a very strong group. Like, the difference between Jinsik, Hyunwoo, and Junghoon is crazy. But all three of them are such good vocalists that they make it work. And it's funny because people go, oh, they see Junmin as a main dancer, which I can see why. But it's so interesting like how versatile this group is. This is one of the most versatile groups I've seen in a while. And like I said, with the production of 80s like production and having Hongjung behind them, honestly, I don't get how a group would not be confident. You know, because Hongjun is such a creative producer. And I feel like he's an artist that, like, when it comes to his art, he's very creative. And he's very, like, he thinks outside of the box. And I feel like this helps this group massively. And that's really exciting. So I'm keen to see what's next. I'm keen to see where they're going to go. I have to obviously listen to their next album, which that's exciting. I'm really keen to listen to the Do or Die album. Not Do or Die album. How to Play. I'm very keen to hear what type of sound they're going to have on that. But man, this is one of the most creative groups I've listened to in a while. What do you reckon, Majo? Since you're here, what do you think about what their sound and stuff like that? Definitely no 80s clones. Yeah, it's interesting. Hello, Rose. How are you? It's very interesting because like the whole album, you could play it front to back. I like that Xikers is continuing like the tradition of 80s of having the intros. I actually really enjoy that because that's one of my favorite things about 80s is that 80s have an intro. It's like, I feel like Dreamcatcher have it as well, that they have intros at the start of their albums. And they have like, they always, like, I always like that. And they have like interludes and stuff like that. I've always found that really cool. I want to actually go through this again. I really liked from between DC, same producers. So yeah, that makes sense as well. And then obviously it goes to that's the secret of Tricky, which is really cool. I really enjoy that. And then obviously you have Doorbells Ringing. I really enjoyed that song a lot. I love the combination between Sumin and Ye-chan. Like it's so cool. The combination that they have is so nice. I really enjoy the bridge of that as well. It's really amazing, really strong. Yeah, I fuck with it. I fuck with this. I fuck with this album so hard. And then obviously you have Tricky House, which is cool. I feel like Tricky House is one of those songs where I know I didn't react to it, but I really like what was I gonna say? I really enjoy that. Even though I didn't listen to Tricky House on this, I can hear Tricky House and I can see where it fits this album. They know how to utilize the members well. 100%. It's very impressive. And then obviously you have Dynamic. I really like Dynamic. I like the whole rock genre that they're going for. I really enjoy that. It's really cool. It's really cool. And I like that teases into Rockstar. It's cool how they have like their interludes and their intros and stuff like that. That it's teasing into what's next, you know? And then obviously you have Rockstar. I think Rockstar might be one of my favorite songs on this album. Because this song makes me want to seriously run through a brick wall. It makes me want to run through a brick wall and take over the world. Like that's how strong Rockstar is as a song. I love that. I really love the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like hearing Sion sing that, it really got into my head. I was like, wow, I'm like, that's very catchy. And then you have Hunter's part as well, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's really nice. I love Minjae's deep voice as well with on the drop. And I really like Ye-chan once again showing how powerful he is as a rapper. Like a lot of this album is just Ye-chan going, yeah, what's up? I'm here. You know, it's like it's just incredible. It's just incredible how strong this group is. And then obviously you have Zyke. Zyke might be another one that's one of my favorite songs on the album as well. It's so weird, but it's good. It's so weird, but it's good. I love the way Minjae screams Xikers at the top of his lungs, like he means it. And the entire song is declaring that they are going to take over the world. I love that. I find that so cool. And that beat change, Jesus Christ, what was that beat change? It was so good and somehow wasn't jarring with the overall flow of the song, which I fuck with that. This song is honestly good. I really like this song and I want to listen to more of it. I want to listen to the live versions of a lot of these songs because I really like what they did. With Oh My Gosh, the way that they ended the album to me was perfect. I love how Hunter rules the chorus. For me, Hunter rules the chorus. Him and Jamin doing that like back-to-back thing was so cool. And then obviously to me the highlight of the song was the bridge between Hyunwoo, Jonghoon, and Jinsik. I love the combination of this group's vocals. And like I said, I need to hear live versions of these songs because I love the way Xikers perform live. So I wouldn't mind listening to the rest of the album to hear what the songs sound like live. But yeah, man, that's all I'm going to say. I'm excited to listen to more of this group. So yeah, if y'all like this, give this a thumbs up. None of that. Comment if you want to see more. Subscribe. And remember, keep living a crazy life and stay blessed. Peace. Laters. Whoop. Ooh.